So we're making chicken fried rice, and our ingredients are white rice, onions, peas and carrots, eggs, pepper, butter, chicken, oil, soy sauce, and green onions.
Rice has fed more people over a longer period of time than any other crop. As far back as 2500 BC, rice has been documented in the history books as a source of food and for tradition as well. It began in China and the surrounding areas. Its cultivation spread throughout Sri Lanka and India. It was then passed on to Greece and areas of Mediterranean. Rice spread throughout southern Europe and to some of North Africa. From Europe, rice was brought to the New World. From Portugal, it was brought into Brazil, and from Spain to Central and South America. The importance of rice. Rice, together, they directly supply more than 50% of all calories consumed by the human population. Rice provides 21% of global human per capita energy and 15% of per capita protein. Although rice protein ranks high in nutritional quality among cereals, protein content is modest. Rice also provides minerals, vitamins, and fiber, although all constituents except carbohydrates are reduced by milling. The number one producer of rice is Arkansas, and £7,449 per acre of rice are grown in the United States.
For safety precautions, use a refrigerator thermometer to keep your food store at a safe temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Defrost food in a refrigerator, the microwave, or in cold water, and never on the counter. Always use separate cutting boards for raw meat, poultry, fish, and produced cooked foods. Always cook meat to proper temperature using a collaborated instant read thermometer to make sure. Avoid unpasteurized. Always wash your hands in warm soapy water for at least 20 seconds before handling food and after touching raw meat or poultry or eggs. Whenever there's a food recall, check products stored at home to make sure they are safe. And also wear gloves so that your hands doesn't get hurt from the heat.
Fun facts.
Rice is the oldest known food that is still widely consumed today. Archaeologists can date the consumption back to 5000 BC. There are three types of rice grain: short, medium, long. April 19th is National Rice Ball Day. Asia alone both produce and consume 90% of world's rice. September is National Rice Month. And those are fun facts about rice.
Wow, Kevin, that was...
Okay, I'm ready, okay?
So we've got our rice here, our onions, our peas and carrots.
If I get closer,
Fun facts.
Fun facts about... Okay, go again.